What's your favorite type of food, big brother?
Crawfish.
What type of crawfish?
I like boiled crawfish. Po' boiled crawfish.
And hey man, say man, bro. It's Chris today. We ain't got no motherfucking cam, but guess what? We had a car meet. This bitch fire. All I'm gonna say is, this bitch gas. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back with y'all.
Wake up, filthy.
Look at this mug. Y'all don't. Hey y'all, I don't know what type of car bed this is, but this car bed is nasty. What kind of car bed is this? Let me know in the comments. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice, y'all. This is a SS Camaro. This Camaro? I don't know, they all kind of. Y'all, I'm back, y'all. I don't know what to really talk about for real, but I'm just giving y'all my overview of Hammond right quick. You know, y'all ain't out here with me. Like, this is nice. You know what I'm saying? 1958 Chevrolet. You know. This is I wish I could tell y'all, but this mug is fancy. You know, like I want me a car like this one day. Like coming soon though. Wait till I get my 1968 Thunderbird out the shop. We're gonna be out here for real one day. You know what I'm saying? But this is nice, nicer. This SS is heat. This SS is nice. Like how y'all like this mug? Y'all like? Let me know how y'all like this in the comments. Like this Mustang is nasty. Like look at the interior. Look at the details. Turbo, 351 cubic. Hey, what we gotta do, bro?
Pull out black card in Jackson, man.
Hey, man. Say, man.
Got to.
I don't mean to mess up the video, but look, it was too much, you know what I'm saying, that yin yang yang going on. So I had to, man, I don't feel like disturbing the video again, but this is a nice car, you feel me? Nice ass car, but look, there's so much copyright going on, I had to cut this shit.
Look at this, man. Hey, Cam, shout out to you, Cam. This is for you. This is for you, Cam. You like this?
I'm ready to see you fly away. I'm ready to see you go fast in that car. I'm ready to see you fly.
Check this out.
I'm ready to see you fly. I'm ready to see you fly.
Hey, back to this though. This is nice. It's nice. Y'all, I'm jealous. It's time for me to go home. I'm like, Kim, I'm recording.
It's not me go home and go straight to sleep.
Hey man, YouTube. I'm not even gonna be here. But look though, this is my heart. Y'all might not see what I see. But this is nice. This Chevelle nice. All of it's nice though, you feel me? First car meet. I'm back, y'all. I don't mean to hurt none of y'all feelings, but this truck is scary. This truck is nice. Huh. Like, I don't know what to say, but this is what you call nasty. You gotta look at the look at the details. Look at it. Like, you just gotta look at it. Like, this is amazing. And you don't get to see these every day. You don't get to see these every day. You don't get to see no Camaro SS every day. Oh no, C8. Not close up. At all. Like this SS, this Camaro nice.
The inside nice though.
This C8 is plain, but it's drip. This
That's an LS3 in there.
paint job is amazing. Hey Cam, look at this LS3, bro. I'm sorry you're not here with me, bro, but look at this. Attention to details. What does teacher say back in school? Oh my God, Grand Sport, C7. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Y'all, what? Oh my God. Bro, look at this. Look at the C8. Look at it. Oh my God. Look at it. 2000. Josiah, this is 2023. When I get my car, you know, I got 1968 Thunderbird. That mud faster for.
I got a car coming. I ain't got it yet though.
What kind of car you getting, bro?
Whatever could drive.
What's your favorite type of food, big brother?
Huh?
What's your favorite type of food, big brother?
Crawfish.
What type of crawfish?
I like boiled crawfish. Po' boiled crawfish. Fried crawfish.
Yo.
I think I'm a crawfish.
Ooh, he think he a crawfish. I can't wait to get me a car though.
You say that, man.
Oh, hold on, y'all stay tuned. Look at this mug. Look at this motherfucker. Look at this. What y'all know about them speakers? What y'all know about that? You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing. Slight drip. Slight drip. Shake that shit. Shake that shit.
My damn better.
Shake that shit.
Don't dance like that.
Girl, that little tutu you got on. What you think? What you supposed to be? The Tinkerbell? Come on, cuz. You know what I'm saying? Hey, all I'm gonna say is, this is way better than being at home. Cause at home, I don't see stuff like this at home.
I was sad when we was at the house.
Like when I was at the house, me and big brother almost went to sleep.
I was sad. I was just sitting there. I was so sad.
Dude went to sleep for real.
You're like a fool.
But now, I'm excited.
You feel me?
See, you're not even working on my camera for real, cause you doing the 2015, what you call that dance?
Hey, where do I want to get my fucking camera?
All right, nah.
Look.
Oh, don't let me talk about that hair now.
Hold on, let me.
I done told you about this.
Y'all make sure, I'm gonna have the same video on my YouTube.
Hey, y'all, you know, me and Josiah, we share content, you know. Whatever I got, this is too.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? I don't know what the thumbnail should be for real. But,
Probably you in front of a car.
hey, this is just a vlog for real, you know what I'm saying? I'm by myself today, camera. He got to work, got to make that money. I still got side, but I ain't really by myself, but you know. Yeah, but look, this is like a little vlog. You know, I gave y'all a little 5-second little clip of, you know what I'm saying, couple cars, you know what I'm saying, nothing crazy. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little view of what I seen, you know. Y'all fam, you know what I'm saying, y'all my family, you know what I'm saying. Y'all make it do what it do. And we on the road to 300, you know what I'm saying, because that's what we do. We getting how we live. We straight off that bag. We trying to get that money, baby. You know what I'm saying? That's all we trying to do is get that bread. Nothing crazy. Get money, baby. Baby. But yeah, I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I get to a store or something, you know, nothing crazy. But yeah, stay tuned, nigga.